Hi guys, welcome back to Lark's Workshop. Today we're going to have a look at a little thing that annoyed me on the way back from Busfest, and this is the rattly door. Don't know if you can hear that, I'll show you it in a minute. Basically the top guide is worn, which is this little beastie there. This is for an early bus. Later buses had a bearing on it, so I don't know what time or what year they changed, but this is for an early one. So let's go and have a look. Okay guys, right, you are in the bus now, and can you see that movement? Hope you can see it. That's what's making the rattling. Okay, just trying to get a bit of better picture. Can you see that movement there? So there's quite a bit of wear on it. Also it is moving in the ball which goes into the nylon block, so we've got to whip that out. All I've done is put a ratchet strap over the top through the windows just to stop the door falling out when I take that out. The lower bolt is 15mm and that top bush has actually got flats on it, and that's 17mm. You can adjust this. Can you see the slot in there? So before you buy a new block, have a go at adjusting it. All you do is undo that bolt and then push it in and make sure it shuts properly. But yeah, mine's worn in the ball as well as around the outside, so only one. Spanners, let's get them all. That's out then. Alright, can't think, can it? Just need to spring it down a bit to get it out. There it is. There it is. Lovely jubbly. Alright, so we're here at the bench on the vise. What I'm going to do is chuck that in there. I've got some soft jaws in there to make sure I don't damage anything. Hopefully, it should just pop off. Theory. There she goes. Right. Nothing exciting there. Just a little ball. I'll give that a clean up and then we'll try and put the other one on. So we've got our two bits, new one and the old one cleaned up. See the ball, it's not got wear on there, it's pretty good. I'll just put a tiny bit of silicone spray in it. Does that seem, I can't see if that's focused. Just put a little bit of silicone spray on it, I don't know if it'll help or not. So all I'm going to do is put it in the vise and clamp it up together. Hopefully. Alright, let's see if she goes in. Oh, that's it. There we have it. Oh, that's a lot firmer. Alright, let's go put it back in the door. Right, back in the bus. Just got to get this back in there. Shouldn't be too hard. There she goes. Let's get the bolt in. And then, I don't know, put it about halfway I guess, and then we'll nip it up and see how she shuts. Take this ratchet strap off now, then we'll try it out. Alright, let's see what she's like. bit of movement there. It's sticking out a little bit, so I need to just tap that in a bit. I'll just undo a little bit. Oh, wrong way around. Tap in. That one in. Let's try again. I don't think that moved actually. Let's try it again. Spin it. That's moved it. That's right. That's pretty good on the shut. No rattle. So there we go. Done. Okay, that's that little job done. All else I did was I put a little bit of silicone spray in the track up the top after cleaning it, and it seems to run reasonably. And it doesn't rattle anymore, which is good. I hope you find this useful. You know, it's only a little video, so who knows. But if you'd like to give us a thumbs up, please do, and please subscribe for future content. Cheers, Anne!